Hello guys, so this is today's GFG daily question. So the question is that you are given these plots, and in these plots you have to construct some buildings, and there's a road passing in between, and you have to construct a building such that no two buildings are adjacent, and you have to tell the total number of ways. So let's say if number of plot given is 1, so let's say plot is represented by P, and then this double bar is for the road. So if n is given as 1, then it means there are two plots either side of the road, right? So what are the ways that we can construct the buildings for this? So we can have like this one way, then the second way can be we can construct like this. Then the third way is we can left the plot here and construct like this. And the fourth way is we can leave both plots as it is. So these are the four ways we can construct. These are the total number of ways we can construct our buildings. So basically, what we are what matlab these either side answer will be same as the other, and what we can do is we can calculate the answer for one side and we can just square it, like it will give us the total number of ways. So for example, let's say in this case, as it is only a one plot, so either it can be a plot or it can be a building. So basically there are two choices for one side, and the same will be for the other side as well. So basically it will be 2 cross 2 equal to 4 for n is equal to 1. And suppose if n equal to 2, right? So for one side, let's say either we can left both plots as it is, or we can have first plot as our building and then plot, or we can have plot and then building. So these are the three ways for one side. So likewise it will be 3 into 3 for the other side, and the total answer will be 9, right? Now let's say if our n is equal to, I'll write here just in case. So if n is equal to 1, our answer is 2 cross 2. If our n equal to 2, in that case our answer is 3 cross 3. And now let's see for n is equal to 3. So in this, either we can leave all plots as it is, or we can have first building then plot, or PPP, or this, or we can have building then plot then building. So these are 5 ways for one side. So likewise for other side, so if our n equal to 3, so in that case our answer will be what? 5 cross 5. So let's look for one more, then we'll get the pattern. Let's say our n is equal to 4, right? So what all cases can be for this? Either everything can be plot, or we can have 4. We'll have basically 4 cases for this one. If there is a single building, BPPB, or we'll have PBB, or we will have this case, or we will have if there is a one building. If there are two buildings, what all cases can be? We can have building then plot then building then plot. We can have building plot building, or we can have plot building. So 1 and 4, 5 and 3, 8. So you can total of 8 cases. So if n equal to 4, then in this case we'll have 8 cases, and 8 into 8 will have 64 as our answer, right? So we can see here, you can see a pattern here. For n is equal to 1, we have 2 as our answer. Then for n is equal to 2, we have 3 as our answer. Then n is equal to 3, we have the summation of these two previous two. 3 plus 2 5, and then it's a square. And then for n is equal to 4, 5 plus 3 8, and similarly for n is equal to 5, we'll have 8 plus 5 13, and then 13 square as our answer. So this is nothing, just a Fibonacci series. So now we'll write the code for this. We can write some helper function here, and helper, and we'll pass our n here. Along with, we'll have to create a deep first intro. Now we'll write our helper function. So if our n was 1, we have our 2 square as our answer, so we'll just return 2. If n equal to 2, and we'll return just 3, or else we have to return our helper n minus 1 plus helper n minus 2, right? So in answer, now we need to square this, and we need to return this. But as it is a general equation, and for every call we are making 2 calls, it will go exponentially, so you'll have to memorize it. So we'll write a we'll add a simple dp, and as we have to it will go to this large values, we have to mode also. So we will write here just mode, just 1 second, define mode 1 2 9, right? And we'll just do mode here, mode, and we can take this as long, and just write here dp. Don't take anything, just initialize this dp and pass this dp along with this function. Now just write here this, just pass this dp by reference here. We are done. dp, if dp of n is not equal to -1, return my dp of n, and dp of n is equal to, just mod this value also, and here also you need to mod it, right? So yeah, that seems pretty much fine to me. Let's see if this is running. There's some compilation error. Oh, I've not passed here dp. Just wait a second. dp, and here also. Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, so let's submit and see. Yeah, so it is fine. So that was all. It was just a simple Fibonacci problem, just that you have to see the pattern and then convert it accordingly. Yeah, thank you guys. We'll be bringing every day this daily daily Geeks for Geeks challenges problem, coding problem of the day, and let's see if we can solve other problems as well. Thank you.